Hello, welcome to my channel. 3 cups of flour. 1 cup size is 200 milliliters. Make a well in the middle of the flour. Half cups of water. Half cups of milk. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Half pack of yeast, 5 grams. Let's mix. Half tea glass of vegetable oil, 60 milliliters. 1 egg. Let's mix. Half teaspoon of salt. Let's mix. Let's put oil on our hands. Let's start kneading the dough. Let's get a soft dough. Let's put oil on our hands. Let's cover the dough. And let it rest for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, let's put oil on the table. Let's put the dough on the table and let's fold the dough. Let's divide the dough into 5 equal parts. Let's make 5 dough balls. Let's cover them and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's put oil on the table let's roll the dough into a rectangular shape with our hands. Let's grate 100 grams of cheddar cheese. Let's put 1 tablespoon of grated cheddar cheese on the dough. Let's roll out it with our hand, as in the video, 15 centimeters. And let's put it aside. Let's take the first dough roll we made. Let's roll the dough into 60 centimeters with our hands, as in the video. Let's shape it like in the video. Let's arrange the pastry dough on a tray lined with baking paper. Let's apply the same process to other dough. Let's cover the dough and rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's mix 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of milk. Sesame seeds to decorate. Let's bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, Fahrenheit/180 degrees. The pastry looks great. And now, testing time. Tasting time. If you like my recipe, I would be very happy if you liked the video and commented. Thanks for watching.